up, my sunshine budgeters? We are back with another video. So in today's video we'll be doing our money challenges. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. And yeah, starting with our 100 envelope challenge, we will be doing $30 today, which makes that envelope 15. So let's go ahead and find envelope 15, which is right here. We are doing the doubled version of the 100 envelope challenge if this is your first money challenge video with me. So that will get a 20 and a 10, so 30. And I am not sure how this is going to hold up once I start putting the bigger amounts of money in here, so we will see. And let me just go ahead and put that's 20 back in here. I try to keep them in number order, but yeah, so we'll do $30 there for the 26 envelope challenge, which is going really well. I probably will focus more on this, finishing this, not even gonna lie, because this is gonna help. So we're going to do envelope 6 and 7 this week. This is our second time doing this challenge. So envelope 6 is actually going to get $12 because we're doing the double version of this as well. So here goes 12 in envelope 6, and I think by the time we're finished with this one, there's supposed to be $700 plus with the double version. Yeah, $758. So envelope 6. So envelope 6, and then envelope 7 will get $14. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So $14. And I probably should tape this, but I'm definitely not. Because it's just my personal use, which is another thing why I don't want to do the 100 envelope in this box, like sell them, because one, I'm kind of lazy, and I'm actually surprised I did it for myself. I just really didn't want to pay for something that I could make myself. Like, I wasn't that lazy, but like once I got through making it, like, your girl did not want to make another one. Another one. So if I do come up with my own boxes, like my own challenge box, it probably will just be like an envelope and the tracker. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, no cap. So we'll see. But yeah, your girl does not want to make these boxes, so I'm sorry. There are plenty of Etsy shop owners who do, that have the patience. I just don't have the time in my life right now. So that's it for this. And then we're going to do the seasonal savings, which was made by Budget with Brins, her seasonal fall savings challenge. So we are on week 7, guys. We are doing really good with this challenge, and this week only gets $20, which was great to my budget. So $20, which I got my last 20. So now this fall savings challenge has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. So $200 and only 2 weeks left. So $200. Now, of course, guys, you already know this is going to go towards emergency fund, because we are trying to hit 1K so we can condense that binder. So yeah, that's where this is going to go. So we have 2 more challenges to go. So for this week, we lost another pound in our weight loss challenge. So we are going to get $1, 2, 3, 4, $4. Plus I owe myself $1 from last week. So for our weight loss challenge this week, we are adding $4 normally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another $1 for the $1 I owe. So right now we should have $10 in here. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10 is correct. So that's it for this one. And I'm not sure yet, but I probably will end up doing a box for this challenge as well. But yeah, so that one. And then the last one, the new challenge I'm starting this week, is the dollar savings challenge, which I got this envelope off Etsy. I am not sure. I already had the envelope like this that I take to the bank when I handle my stuff, but yeah, so we will see if I don't end up buying a jar. So for this week, we are adding $3 to the $1 savings challenge, and this is a start of the $1 savings challenge. So we'll see how much we get by whenever I just want to stop the $1 savings challenge, which will, I don't know. So we'll see. So $3 into the $1 savings challenge. Alright, so for everybody's favorite part and mine, we're going to color in everything. So let's start with this one, and we are going to use this color. Alright, so we're gonna put that we added $3 to the $1 saving challenge, and I'm not gonna track it just because I want to be surprised. So $3 is added to the dollar savings challenge. And yeah, so thank you guys for stopping by and checking out my video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Where should I put this money? Like, what challenge do you feel like I should put which money where? I think I'm gonna do the weight loss challenge in the self-care, because that's like self-care. I mean, it's not self-care, but like it's self-care to like take care of yourself. So we'll put part of that money into self-care, because your girl always wants to take care of herself. And I don't know, guys, like I have no clue. So I mean, none of these challenges are a race, but it feels so great to complete them. Let me know if you want me to move the weight loss challenge in the envelopes, just so it's more like, I guess, aesthetically pleasing. Like, because I feel like that envelope will get like stuffed really fast and I have to condense it, and I kind of really don't want to condense my savings challenges. I kind of want to just let them stack up. So we will see. Let me know your input. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.